What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be working on the PT Cruiser, taking the radiator out and show you what I'm working with. So let's get into this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications for more new videos. And check out Project Disturb in the link, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Okay guys, as you can tell, we took the bumper support off. We had to take the bumper halfway off. Them bolts over there won't come off because they're rusted. You got to take the intercooler piping off. You got to take this shit off here. And it's just been a big pain in the ass. As you can tell, I do not recommend getting a PT Cruiser because you have no room to work on the son of a bitch. But we're getting it done, guys, and once we get it put back together, I'll show you the progress of putting it back together. Okay, guys, as bad as I want to cuss, we got everything is attached together here. Intercooler, radiator, oil cooler. I think that's what it is.
It's your transcooler.
Or transcooler. Fans are unplugged. We had to unhook all this shit just to get that bastard out. As you can tell, the PT Cruiser is pretty much tore apart. This is what you guys look forward to if you ever have to change a radiator in a PT Cruiser. You basically got to tear the bitch almost down to bare bones. But we're getting to it, and we're going to start working on putting it back together. Got the new radiator to slap in. So okay guys, we got everything off of the old radiator, transferred over to the new radiator. Big pain in the ass, to be honest with you. We got the fan on, intercooler, transmission cooler, and intercooler. This is the old one. It's in pretty bad shape. Now I understand why it was leaking. But just couldn't do this without my friend helping me, my friend Bri. Really appreciate your help. I know damn well I couldn't do this on my own. Or I probably could, but it'd take me a while. But just gonna take a break for a minute and then we'll get right back at it, guys.
Real good.
Here's the old radiator, guys. I originally thought this piece here was leaking. That's why there's a gasket maker on it. You have these two bolts that you take off. But yeah, this thing was shot in being the original radiator. 2003 PT Cruiser GT. Halfway there. You got it all put back together. Got to get the bottom lines on the bottom. But we're getting there. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions on it. And please check out Project Disturb in the link below to get future uploads, notifications before I even go on YouTube. Appreciate your all support. You guys have a blessed day. God bless. Y'all take care. Mopar or no car. Okay guys, we got the motherfucking radiator out. I can't say that on Facebook.
That's probably not a good idea.